Hey guys, how's it going? How to change Instagram, message color on Instagram. What you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to go ahead right here, and we're gonna double check if it is possible, right? If it is possible to change, right? To change Instagram, right? Message color, right? So we're gonna see right here in the result, and you get to be able to see that if I wanted to change the Instagram message color, tap or in the top right of the feed, you get to be able to tap the conversation on your chat list, and then tap the chat name at the top, and then tap theme. So basically the theme will be changed, not the message. So unfortunately for now, it is not possible to change to change the color of the message for now, but of course we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.